All right. Welcome back. In this part of the video, I'm going to take us through how to register an account on the iExam web application. Yes. So in the first video, Mr. Yusuf introduced the interface, the landing page, and all of that. So let's begin. On the menu bar, you're going to see the register button. Yes, all you have to do is you register an account as a school, you register your school, or you register as an independent learner. So let's quickly register as school. So the school admin name or the username. For example, I can say I'm going to use school one, the email of the school, correct email of the school. Then the password. Password must contain at least 8 characters. It must contain numbers and both lowercase and uppercase. So make sure the criteria are met. So I'm going to use this. Then I'll confirm. Yes. Then the name of the school. In this case, I'm going to use school 1, just for example purpose. Then the school address maybe can be anywhere your school address is. Let's say I'll use this one. Yes. Alright, then you click on register. Okay, I think we get some error. Alright. Okay, so now you see this kind of error are likely to be numbers are not allowed. Yes, as you can see, the error message says that only letters, spaces, dashes, and apostrophes are allowed. So I'm going to remove this and place it with 1. Then I'm going to enter the password again. So when you get an error message, you just check and make sure you meet the software criteria and you're good to go. So yes, I think we are done. Yes, you see, you can now log in. Okay, so still on the account registration, let's log in and see. So you can log in with either the email address or the username that we just created. So I'm just going to use the username and I'll enter the password and we'll log in. Yes. Alright, now we are logging. So still on the registration, you can, as a school admin, here you can register your teacher or you can register your student. Why? To make this very secure. So I will go through that quickly. And the moment you can say, let me say teacher X, for example, or teacher XYZ, and the email. Okay. Then the password. We confirm the password. The same criteria needs to be met, and the name of the teacher and XYZ. Now see, school 1 is automatically selected. You can't change the school. So field of study of the teacher maybe mathematics or wherever the teacher study actually. You can then register. Yes, done. So your teacher, you can then give the login details to your teacher, and he can log in. So finally, let's still register for student and see. So all right, here we go. Login. So you can register your student, and it's still the same procedure. Yes, but in this case, you need to create a class before you can register your student. All right, so now I'm going to log out, and I'll quickly show us. If you don't belong to any school or wherever you're on your own, you can register as an independent learner, and you can click here, or even a drop down menu, you can click and register as independent learner. So the same criteria, and you register. Yes, thank you.